Welcome back to 100 words for 100 days. Today's quick learning video, you are going to learn an idiomatic expression is whole of. Let's move on. I'm Ithaya. This is. What does it mean by whole of? As usual, let me give you an example sentence. I want you to listen to that and guess the meaning. No longer needed to pick cotton in the fields or labor in factories. Lower class black men were hauled off to prison in shows. What do you think this means? Haul off is a US and Canadian informal verb. To draw back in preparation, especially to strike or fight, or to take someone away to a place they don't want to go. ஹவுல் ஆஃப்ங்கிறது ஒருத்தவங்களை அடிக்கிறதுக்கு நீங்கள் கையை பின்னாடி இழுக்கிறீங்க பார்த்தீங்களா, அதுதான். அதாவது இதுக்கு இன்னொரு அர்த்தம் என்னென்னா, ஒருத்தவங்களுக்கு பிடிக்காத இடத்துல வலுக்கட்டாயமாக கொண்டு போய் விடுறது, எஸ்பெஷலி in prison. Let me give you some more examples. Most of the protesters were hauled off to the police station. Hauled off and smacked the helpless aide across the face. I hauled off and hit him. I hope you will understand this word how to use in a conversation. Let me bring you a lot of words like this in upcoming videos. Until then, I'll take leave. Bye bye.